Students Book 2, Unit 6, Lesson 1, Vocabulary, Activity 3.
So, let's ask our team what the weather is going to be like this afternoon. First, the south of England. Sarah, what's the weather going to be like in London this afternoon?
Well, the clouds are very grey, so I think it's going to rain. The temperature is going to be about 10 degrees Celsius.
Thank you, Sarah. Now, to David in Cardiff. What's the weather going to be like in Wales this afternoon?
This afternoon it's going to be stormy. It's going to be hot, 30 degrees Celsius.
Thank you. Now to Liverpool. Rita, what's the weather going to be like in the north of England this afternoon?
It's going to be beautiful and sunny, but it's going to be cool, 11 degrees Celsius.
Thank you. Now to Angus in Aberdeen. What's the weather going to be like in Scotland?
In Aberdeen it's going to be changeable. Nice and warm though, 20 degrees Celsius.
Nice. Now to Patrick in Belfast. What's the weather going to be like in Northern Ireland?
It's going to be windy here, and it's going to be cold, only 5 degrees Celsius.
And finally, to Seamus in Dublin. What's the weather going to be like in Ireland?
It's going to get worse. It's going to snow this afternoon, and it's going to be freezing. -2 degrees Celsius.